2026 NJCAA Swimming and Diving Championships set to jump off the blocks at the Indian River State Aquatic Center in Fort Pierce, Florida, Wednesday, March 4th through Saturday, March 7th. Iowa Western in just its second season with 18 men and 9 women looking at a podium finish for both teams.
Have very talented people, very, very talented people. And you know, those talented people, they work incredibly hard. We have all different levels, but no matter if they're the fastest one on the team or the slowest one, they all work incredibly hard.
I've swam with a lot of different levels of talent in my whole career, but this is the most intense and the hardest competition I've had.
I was really impressed by the talent level. We have a lot of internationals that are very passionate and they give their 100% at practice, just like everyone else.
All easy, all fast. We'll go on the top here, on the top. We definitely hit all of them. We have some very sprinters on all of our strokes, freestyle on all of our strokes, and then we have some great distance swimmers on both the men and women's side.
Oh my gosh, like crazy talent, real competition this year, and we're going to place a lot higher at nationals. Overall, we're doing a lot better this year.
Having people from all different countries, and it's really blended this team into something that I couldn't imagine.
Iowa Western just attracts people from local, but from everywhere. And so they've all come together and they share each other's cultures, personalities, and I love working with them. They're fun.
Fun for all, including swimmers from 7 different countries, as well as the United States. Almost time for the Iowa Western swim team to make a splash at the Natty. They say the third time is a charm, but the second, even better.